And healthcare providers who can show that they have met COVID-19 safety requirements can resume their practices on May 1st. Fox 12's MARILYN Deutsch reports this means folks will finally be able to get help for medical problems not considered essential, but are definitely needed and in some cases urgent.
This last month, local ERs have sometimes been the only place sick folks could go. They couldn't get in to see a doctor or a dentist.
I had a huge infection. My face got all swelled up. You can still see it.
Jim Cook says after 2 nights of not sleeping, the pain in his mouth this week was a 10. More than a month ago, one of his back teeth started feeling sore. He waited to see his dentist. The governor's orders closed down medical offices except for emergencies. Jim was treated with antibiotics. His case not really considered urgent, even though he was in more and more pain.
It keeps swelling more and more, even though I'm still on an antibiotic.
Tuesday morning, it became unbearable.
I'll tell you, I would have never in a million years thought a tooth could cause that much pain.
Jim went to the ER with a dangerous infection.
They took a CAT scan to make sure the infection wasn't in the bone. I mean, it's gone up to the ear, into my cheekbone.
Jim will have to have a root canal, and even though he's had a tough time of it this last month, he thinks Governor Brown was right to close down medical offices.
And I'm sure I'm not the only one in this position, right? I mean, there's got to be people out there that, had procedure schedules that, are either in pain, discomfort, whatever it is.
Medical and dental offices such as Gentle Dental in Beaverton that have been seeing patients in emergency situations only for the last month are now looking forward to opening back up as soon as possible to see all their patients.
I'm hoping we can open completely, but we'll see how it goes. It might be with some modification.
And while Jim Cook is happy he came to the ER here at Providence St. Vincent, some sick Oregonians haven't even done that. They haven't gotten any care at all for serious infections, heart disease, or lung problems. They've just been too afraid to go to local hospitals in this time of coronavirus. In Southwest Portland, MARILYN Deutsch, Fox 12 Oregon.